Alright, so hello everyone. This is a short tutorial on how you could use Canva to format your upcoming Criterion D summative. I heard that your Criterion D is composed of two parts, two paragraphs, and today I'll be showing you how to do that on 2 pages and a single page. So off with the 2-page method. First you would create a design, then you would click letter. And I figured that these default dimensions, 21 by 29.7 centimeters, this works very well when you're trying to fit 2 paragraphs into 2 separate pages. So you click on this. Then you would choose a template from here and start working. An example of how this may turn out would be this. So as you can see, I have 2 pages. I have my title, obviously, and I have 2 images. I have a body paragraph, which I believe in your Criterion D summative would be on explaining the geothermal energy system, how the plants work. Then off to your second page, you would have your images again. It's always very important to put visuals in your Criterion D, just a tip. Then you would have your subtitle. Then you would have your paragraph, which I believe is on evaluating the benefits and disadvantages of geothermal energy. All right, then off with the 1-page method. So this is a bit more difficult, so you get back to Canva. And if you want to format your Criterion D on a single page, and this is a bit tricky because you can't resize your document once you create your design unless you're using Canva Pro. And it's very likely that you're going to run out of space if you use the original letter method. So you're going to go and create custom dimensions. Then you got to know exactly what dimensions you would be looking for, because again, you can't resize once you make your design. So, and I'm pretty sure that you want it a bit more long than wide. So you're gonna have, so this is where you put your length, this is where you put your width. And in this case, I'll have it as 820 by 300 pixels. So if we create a new design, you would get a long page. And again, you can choose the templates, but again, these dimensions don't really fit for academic looking projects. So it's mostly for flyers and posters, as you can see. So it's not, so templates are not really helpful in this case. So I would just recommend working on a blank page, and you could still end up with a pretty decent product using this method. So an example of how this may turn out would be this. As you can see, it's a single page. You have your paragraph, you have your images, then your second paragraph. Yeah, thank you for listening.